Fiber is made up of nutrient indigestible materials. There are two kinds of fibers, insoluble and soluble. Insoluble fiber is composed of indigestible materials found in plant cell walls, stalks, grain husks, and shells. Examples of insoluble fiber include cellulose, lignin, pectin, chitin, whole wheat, and wheat, rice, and corn bran. Insoluble fiber helps elimination because it is not digestible and is discarded as waste. By being moved through the intestinal tract, insoluble fiber helps regulate peristaltic movement and prevent indigestion. It also helps prevent intestinal diseases like diverticulosis, polyps, and cancer. Insoluble fiber acts as a chelate and is important in the elimination of waste materials such as metals and some minerals. Insoluble fiber, or indigestible high amylose starch that resists digestion in the small intestine, prevents insulin dump. Nutrients high in insoluble fiber are cellulose, brands from wheat, rye, oat, barley, rice, and corn, flax, legumes, cruciferous vegetables, berries, figs, kiwi fruit, nuts, and chitin or chitosan, which are glucosamine derivatives of glucose and are found in the cell walls of fungi and the exoskeletons of crustaceans. Soluble fiber is comprised of water-soluble polysaccharides like pectin, a gelling agent, gum, a thickening agent, and mucilage, a swelling agent. Soluble fiber absorbs water from the intestines and forms bulk, which helps elimination and regulates peristaltic movement. It is an excellent additive in treating irritable bowel diseases. Because it swells up in the digestive tract, starting with the stomach, it also has a high satiety index and reduces appetite. Glucose from soluble fiber is gradually absorbed by the intestines and does not cause insulin dump. Some soluble fibers are prebiotics. A prebiotic soluble fiber promotes the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria. The intestinal bacteria digest insoluble fiber to produce fuel for nutrition and bioproducts for protection of intestinal cells. Check out the resource section to see a wide variety of soluble fibers and their specific functions. Fiber, both soluble and insoluble, is beneficial in improving digestive function, curbing appetite, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes, and preventing colon cancer. Fiber is found in all fruits, tumated and cruciferous vegetables, natural grains, rice, soy, and legumes. Primitive man consumed 60% of his food as fiber. Today, our food is practically devoid of fiber. Popular opinion prescribes 30 grams of fiber per day. To get the full beneficial function of fiber, one should consume closer to 60 grams. Therefore, most people should add a variety of fiber supplements to their diet. A good combination is to mix equal quantities of soluble with insoluble fiber.